happens if my spouse threatens to sabotage me at the marriage green card interview? Okay, so now this happens a lot more often than you think. We've had multiple people contact us regarding this particular issue. So it's very, very common, specifically when it comes to, again, your spouse in a marriage green card process. Now, if this happens, your spouse threatens you that they're going to sabotage you or sabotage the green card, and you have already filed, then you might want to consider speaking to an immigration attorney, especially if there has been abuse in the marriage. Now, this can be either actual physical abuse. If there hasn't been physical abuse, but there has been verbal abuse, emotional abuse, extreme cruelty, lots of threats, especially around the green card, threatening to have you deported. If that's been happening in the relationship, in the marriage, then there is a way for you to potentially get the green card and continue the process on your own. Now, I'm speaking to those people who are already in the process, right? If you have already started the green card process, if your spouse already filed the application, there is still hope, right? You're not stuck, right? Staying in that abusive situation. If there is abuse, there is a way for you to convert the current petition, right? And make it no longer a marriage-based petition, but a petition that's now based on abuse. And we call that VAWA, that's the actual immigration benefit. And you're able to continue the process on your own without your spouse. So it's a very risky thing. We've actually helped clients who went to the interview and had the spouse actually sabotage the interview or not show up, or I've heard so many different variations of things that happen at interviews from abusive spouses. So if you have not gotten to the interview process, then you might want to consider contacting an attorney and seeing if we can convert your current petition into a self-petition based on abuse. And if that's the case, you can go ahead and give me a call and set up a consultation.